The narrative of the last 3 years just collapsed. I'm Anna, and on today's AI Unraveled Daily, we have the forensic proof that the AI replacing engineers story was a lie. MIT has published the math. Only 5% of the massive tech layoffs in 2025 were actually caused by AI. The rest? A PR shield for corporate overhiring. We are deconstructing the strong superposition limit and why the scaling race is hitting a mathematical ceiling. But while the software job market stabilizes, the security risk is exploding. A massive leak from Anthropic has exposed Claude Mythos, a next-gen model flagged internally for its ability to autonomously discover zero-day vulnerabilities and orchestrate cyber attacks. Meanwhile, Meta has just open-sourced the human brain. We analyzed Tribe V2, an AI model that simulates 70,000 brain regions and outperforms real fMRI scans. From Nvidia's new 44.2 token per second speed demon to Google's 2029 quantum encryption warning, the institutions of 2026 are being rebuilt in silicon. This is your high-fidelity briefing on the Great Realignment. The full rundown is live now.